Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Shan. So I'm showing you guys these clip-in extensions that I got like last year. It's been a couple of months. I think I got it around November, December, I can't remember, like Christmas time. And I just wanted to treat myself with some hair because I really can't get with like the whole wig thing. So I just do me and just get the clip-ins. So as you can see, it's like wavy looking because I just washed it like since I got them. This is the first time I washed them because of course they're clip-ins and I didn't want to, mess them up, but I don't know what I did wrong, but I actually went on the website and just to see like how you should care for the hair. And of course they said to use sulfate free shampoo and conditioner and all that jazz. So that's what I follow along the lines of their instructions. But as you can see, the hair is like shedding really bad. I don't know why, but it is what it is. So yeah, I just want to come to you guys and let you know like what it really is, like a regular person using their own money paying for this hair. It is some really nice hair, don't get me wrong. They say that it is Indian hair and it really did blend with my hair. It wasn't thin, but it was not too thick, and it looked like it could be my real hair. I make sure I put some pictures in when I first got the hair. But what really drew me to this hair was the hair color, honestly, because my hair color is like a whole bunch of colors. Like I think it's a 4, 30, and a 27 mixed in one. But on their website, the hair color is called number 6, and the set that I got is called High 5. So with clipping the hairs in, I use the 3 clip weft first at the bottom, and you notice that I didn't put it all the way down too far because I noticed that if you clipped too less of hair, it just keeps sliding down, and then eventually it starts hurting for me. And then sometimes I like putting in a ponytail too, so it kind of gets annoying. So I don't like to put my clip-ins too far down. But yeah, I started with the 3, then the 4, and then I got to my crown, and then I did the 4 too. And I also make sure there's 1 inch in between each clip-ins because I don't want them to, as I said earlier, to keep sliding down and then they just combine and it's just a hot mess when you're trying to take them out at the end of the day. And then right here, I think I'm using a 3 clip weft now after that 4. And then on the sides, I think I'm going to finish off with the 2. But yeah guys, this hair is really pretty, don't get me wrong, I love this hair, but it's obviously not the same from when I first got it. And my hair definitely did blend much better than this. I don't know if because the hair was shedding so much why you can like really see my hair, but this is probably like the last time I'm gonna wear these clip-ins because they're kind of like done for how bad they were shedding. And I did use the hanger that they gave me. I used the proper shampoo. I didn't blow dry my clip-ins. I let them air dry. I set them out on a towel. And yeah, so this is how long they come down on me. They're 22 inches and I'm about 5'4", and that's how the top looks. Yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.